This is your go-to platform for all things marketing, sales, and debt recovery. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Stay tuned to become the best in your field, locally and internationally. Diving right in, let's tackle the first part of our trifecta: marketing. The secret sauce to effective marketing is understanding your audience and crafting a message that resonates with them. Consider the case of a small coffee shop that, instead of advertising their organic beans, focused on the cozy atmosphere and community feel. This hit home with their customers, boosting sales significantly. So, always remember to tailor your message to meet your customers' needs. Remember, great marketing is all about resonating with your audience. With marketing down, it's time to close that sale. To master this, remember two crucial points: building rapport and listening. Building a rapport isn't about selling, it's about connecting. It's about understanding your client and their needs. Once you've built that connection, listen. Listen to what they're saying and what they're not. Let's consider John, a sales professional, who closed a significant deal simply by understanding his client's unspoken needs. Remember, closing a sale is about meeting needs and building relationships. Finally, let's unravel the mystery of debt collection and recovery. It's not just about demanding payment, it's about understanding the debtor's situation and finding a solution that works for both parties. Remember, maintaining professionalism and empathy goes a long way. Let's take a leaf out of Jane's book. She successfully recovered a debt by negotiating a reasonable payment plan while respecting the debtor's financial struggles. It's all about balance and communication. Debt recovery is a delicate process, handled with care. That's a wrap on our crash course on marketing, sales, and debt recovery. Remember, no matter who you're dealing with or where you are, these tips will help you excel. Apply these skills and watch your success skyrocket. Now go out there and conquer your industry, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.